Before we start, here's a quick preview of what we're about to make. A full, animated short film created completely with Google Flow, starring a carrot. Yes, an actual carrot that wakes up on a farm, goes shopping, and cooks dinner. Let's roll the clip. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Flow to create an entire animated short film starring this guy, Mr. Carrot. Yep, our little vegetable friend is about to become a movie star. Let's bring him to life step by step. First, we're starting with the text-to-video mode. All I have to do is type what I imagine, something like a 3D cartoon carrot coming alive on a farm, pulling itself out of the soil and stretching in the morning sun. And just like that, Flow turns my words into a living scene. Look at that! Our sleepy carrot pops right out of the dirt, ready to start his day. Next, let's move to frames to video mode. I'm taking the last frame of our first clip, where the carrot's standing proudly on the farm and continuing the story. He's walking down a sunny road with his little leaf backpack, heading home. Flow connects these frames so smoothly that it looks like one continuous adventure. No awkward cuts, no fuss. Now it's time for my favorite part, ingredients to video. Here's where things get a little weird. I'm combining multiple characters, a carrot, cucumber, tomato, and potato, all running a vegetable market. Yup, you heard that right. Vegetables selling vegetables. The irony is delicious. Just wait until you see the chaos that unfolds when the customers start haggling over prices. Once we've got our clips, it's time to build a full sequence using the scene builder. You can rearrange, trim, and even use Jump to auto-generate connecting moments. Here, our carrot hero cooks dinner, but his ingredients have other plans. And that's how you can make a full, animated short using Google Flow. From text to video, frames, ingredients, and scene builder, every step helps your story come alive. If this made you smile, hit like and share what you'd make with Flow.
Sure this is ripe enough?
Oh, absolutely. It just came in this morning.
Perfect.
To a lovely bisque. It's the end. He's gonna cook us.